issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, east central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Newark, 47 miles southeast of Sheridan, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Joliet, Plainfield, Asselgo, Yorkville, Morris, Shanahan, Minooka, Newark, Lisbon, Plattsville, and Norway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. This is NOAA Weather Radio KZZ 81.